I'm gonna go straight to the point. Well, if you're starting and you're learning, I recommend you getting one of these packs. It comes with 5 eyelashes and they're pretty easy to use. They have a thin band. Yeah, you're gonna love them. I love them. I like the thicker ones, but for every day I always grab one of these boxes. They're the best. Anyways, moving on, you're also gonna need an eyelash curler, some tweezers, and of course a glue. Now I'm going in and taking off the lash very nicely. There's not much to this, but I wanted to show it so you can just see, like, just slowly, you know, don't be too rough. And I'm using the Kiss glue. One of the reasons I like this one is because it has the little stick, and this helps me so much. I'm putting it on there, like, you don't know. I'm curling in my eyelashes while they're dry. It does hold the curled, and it's less rough for your eyelashes, and it keeps your curler clean. So now I'm going in with mascara. This is going to create a base for your eyelash. A lot of people don't do this, and then the eyelash falls right off. At least it happens to me. Put a coat of mascara. It's going to give it a good base so your fake eyelash can sit on top of it. This is better. In the meanwhile, while I'm putting in my mascara, the glue is drying. This is very, very important. And I know I'm talking about the glue while I'm putting on mascara, but this is important. You want to let your glue dry for about 2 minutes. Give you that ability to tweak your eyelash around. So you can put it, it's sticky, but you can move it around as you like I'm doing right now. I set the eyelash in the middle, and then I'm tweaking it around to match my eye. A lot of girls, I notice, cut the lash as well. I don't need to cut them, at least not this pair, but yeah. So I'm placing it in the middle, and putting it on the sides. The middle, and now I'm fixing the sides with the tweezers. Just give the glue the right amount of time to dry so that you can move it around like this. Perfect. My glue was perfect. It's letting me move it around and fixing it as I go. And the last step is to blend your eyelashes. I like to blend them in with the tweezers and not mascara, because if I use mascara, it's gonna mess up the eyelash. It's gonna make it dirtier once I take it off, and I'm not gonna be able to use it again. I'm not gonna like the way it looks. Blend with tweezers, not mascara. Try it out. It's gonna make your eyelash last way longer, and it's just a more natural look. I do say natural, which is ironic because they're obviously fake, but we don't want to look fake. Blending them with tweezers is going to prevent clumping, and it's just a better look. There is a lot of tutorials out there, but I do it a little different, and I really hope it helps. Bye.
Goddamn, I know you love to make an entrance. Do you like getting paid or getting paid attention? You mean I'm the best you had, you just be comparing me to me. I'ma add this at you. If I put you on my phone and upload it, it'll get maximum